So I got a check engine light on my Volvo S60 2001 non-turbo. P0455, large evap leak. Common cause of this is the J-hose that goes to the evaporative canister, which is up above the rear suspension. So to check my J-hose, the first easy thing I did was I just jacked up the car, got underneath, put my hands up through the suspension and was able to feel what felt like a crack. Here I'm behind the left wheel, pulled off the tire to take a closer look to see if in fact there's a crack. Back in there is the evap canister, the charcoal canister, and you can see the hose, how it makes a J turn in the upper right corner here. And if you look on the left side of that hose where it goes into the canister, maybe you can see that little split. Well, right there. That's it, right there. That's my large evap leak as far as I can tell. So I'm going to replace that hose. It's difficult to figure out a way to access all this. Right? There's not a lot of good access here through the side. Even though I could reach it from the right side, or left side, driver's side, I wouldn't be able to reach the other side of the hose from the passenger side. So what I ended up doing is dropping the exhaust. All I did was remove the exhaust hangers, the three in the back, and then there's a plate that supports it. You can see the middle muffler all the way up there in the middle. There's a plate just up under there held by a couple of bolts, so I dropped that plate out and I've supported it on something here, and then I've removed the heat shield. So here's a picture of the heat shield. This shield conforms, goes up above the muffler there. There's a couple of 17mm bolts that hold it in up under the back here. And then there's this tab here where there's were two rivets holding this in, and I just I popped those rivets. I've got a rivet gun, I'll just rivet it back in. So remove the heat shield. Okay, so by removing the heat shield we get access here. Let me zoom in, and you can see there's the J-hose going into the charcoal canister. It's going to be a little difficult going around and getting it on the right hand side, but this is by far the best access I was able to find to be able to replace that part. Hope that helps you.